If you use Telegram Messenger on your Android device and want group message notifications to really grab your attention, popping up right on your screen, this tutorial is just what you need. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Telegram in your Android system so that group notifications show up as floating bubbles or heads-up alerts, just like those classic pop-ups. This way, you'll never miss important group chats even if you aren't actively checking the app. Let's dive right in. I want to start by clearing up a common point of confusion. Older Android versions and previous Telegram updates had a dedicated pop-up notifications setting right inside the app. You could simply toggle it, and messages would appear front and center. But with how Android has evolved, those traditional pop-ups have been replaced by what are called floating notifications, sometimes referred to as bubbles or heads-up alerts. These work at the system level now, so you get a smoother and more customizable experience that fits with how new smartphones handle notifications. Because this involves both Telegram itself and your phone's general notification system, we'll start by making sure Telegram is sending out group notifications at the highest priority. Begin by opening your Telegram app. Just tap that little blue paper airplane wherever you keep your apps. Once you're inside, find and tap on Settings. You'll usually see this at the bottom right corner, represented by a gear icon. Sometimes navigating menus can feel intimidating, but don't worry, Telegram's settings are pretty straightforward. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This menu controls every aspect of how Telegram notifies you. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Groups. We're focusing here because Telegram allows you to set notification preferences separately for private chats, groups, and channels. Go ahead and tap into the Groups section. First and foremost, double-check that notifications are actually turned on for groups. This might sound obvious, but sometimes, especially after an app update, these settings get reset and you could be missing notifications without even realizing it. Now here's the most important bit. Look for a setting called Importance, or maybe it's labeled Priority. The wording might differ slightly depending on your Telegram version or your Android device, but the function is basically the same. What you want to do is set this to High or Urgent. Choosing this level tells both Telegram and your Android system, hey, these notifications are important, pop them up where I can see them. Think of it as putting a neon sign on your message, so the system gives it top priority for display. If you don't immediately spot these settings, don't stress. Sometimes you have to tap through a few submenus labeled Advanced or Additional Settings to find the right toggle. Take a moment to look carefully and remember. Every device is a little different, so yours might have a slightly unique order or phrasing. Setting notifications to High or Urgent is what triggers those floating pop-up effects, the little window or bubble that briefly appears at the top of your screen or floats above whatever you're doing. It's the modern version of traditional pop-ups, and the main reason Android handles these on a system level is to keep things both secure and energy efficient. Once you have that set, you're well on your way. If you notice messages still aren't popping up, you might need to adjust your Android system notifications. And if you want a walkthrough for that, let me know in the comments. That's it. It really is just a few smart settings away from never missing key group messages on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap the like button, and if you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you get more easy, practical guides for all your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.